Hello, wonderful people. You're welcome to another tube here on YouTube, and it goes by the name Nomit. And as you all know, I'm an artist growth strategist. And also on this channel, what we do is give you the best of music promoting tips, marketing tips, and also how you can grow yourself as an artist, how you can brand yourself, grow yourself as a music artist. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys so many things about high vibe music distribution, because high vibe music distribution does not just do music distribution alone. They have a whole lot of other packages you guys do not know about, from music publishing to playlisting. They can help you pitch your song for playlisting, and also a lot of you guys have been sending me message on how you can take down your music, which is one of the things I'm going to be showing you today in this video. And I want you guys to make sure you pay close attention so you can at least learn something from this video. And if you're just seeing this video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'm going to be dropping more tips about music distribution marketing, which is going to help you as an artist. Only if you do music, you're a music creator, whatever kind of music you do at all, this channel is going to help you to brand yourself. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, as I said, and let's get into today's video. So this video, I already recorded this video for quite a long time, but I'm just waiting for a private time for me to do a video explaining what I actually recorded. It's a screen record, so I'm going to be playing the screen record for you guys to see. I'm going to put it right beside me here so you can see what I actually did, and I'm going to be explaining all the things I actually did in this video. So you just need to pay a very close attention so you can at least learn. So let's get into it. So what I did is I actually log into my High Vibe music distribution account. I already created an account with them. For those of you who has not created any account before, you can go and watch the video I made about how to create an account with them, and also how to distribute your song with them, from upload of your song into your catalog, to releasing your song, to distributing your song. I already made a video about it, which you can go and check it out on my YouTube channel, here on my YouTube channel. So I made a 30-minute long video about it, so you can learn how to distribute your song from there. But today's video, I'm just going to be teaching you guys how you can actually take down your music, and also how you can withdraw your money, because some of you guys are still confused about some of you guys are still confused about how you can actually withdraw your money after you must have been gaining or getting something, royalties, from your music. So I'm going to be showing you guys, and also some of the company they partner with a lot of companies, you understand. And in my last video, I actually talk about funding. You can get funding from High Vibe actually partner with some company who lend you money to promote your music, but they have terms and conditions that you need to go through or read through for you to understand how this works. So if you want to apply, there's a way to apply, and there are things you need to abide by. There are things you need to actually look into before you apply. So let's get into today's let's get back into the video. So I already logged into this account, and what I'm going to do, you see that top, I'm going to go there, click on those arrow, then I will come down. I'll come down to resources. So we're going to be working with this today. So the moment you log into your account, this is where you're going to come. You come to resources, you click on resources, then you go to toolbox. That is where you can find all the options, you understand. So the first thing we have here is withdrawal. You can already see transaction charges may apply if you want to withdraw. Royalty at HIGHVIBEdistribution.com for more information. So what you need to do is input all this information: High Vibe account name, your account name, so email, amount that you want to withdraw, your country, High Vibe pay ID. See, these are the information you're going to fill in. Once you come here, you're going to see all this information. So I'm just scrolling so you guys can see some of the things that we have here, some of the options that we have here. And also for those of you guys that said my song is not distributed on Audiomack, you can get your song distributed here. You see, what you need to do is come here, input the information here, then you submit, then you can get your song sent to Audiomack, and your song will be available. So let's just quickly look through all this one, then I'll be explaining one after the other. But let's just look through some of the things they have here. We have blog, we have funding, we have contact us, publishing, channel save, listing, and video claim release. YouTube Mania claim, playlist pitching. These are some of the things that, services you're going to be getting from HIGHVIBE. So it's not just about music distribution alone. These are some of the services you're going to get, and you can connect with them, by through WhatsApp. About this one, when you click on it, it's going to take you to the WhatsApp channel actually. So lyrics sync. If you want your lyrics to be added to your song, so that when your song is being played, your lyrics will be popping up, you can send your lyrics to them. And this is your YouTube channel. If you want to claim your YouTube channel, I think this is for the audio, so you can claim this. You send them this information. It's just very easy. You see all the information. Split sheet too is there. Split sheets. So if you have if you want to download the split sheet form, you can download it from that split sheet. So here we're going to look at YouTube manual claim request and some of the information that you're going to need to do that. So these are the information. Your HIGHVIBE payee ID. HIGHVIBE payee ID. You see where you can find it. Your payee ID can be found on the settings on your account. You go to your settings, you can find it there. So I just want to come in. So for the withdrawal, again, you can see what we have here, right? I just want you guys to see the information well. So as soon as you get here, you find all the information needed, and you can as well see here information, your account number, whether you can even withdraw your money, get your money through Momo, bank accounts, domiciliary accounts. If you have a dollar account, you can get it through. All you just need to input the information. You can see bank name. And also it's as easy as that. For those of you that have been asking about all these things, so I actually make this video for you guys. So if you find this video helpful for yourself, you make sure you share, you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you save this video for later in case you'll be needing any of the information that I mentioned in this video, so that it can help you, so that you won't come to my DM and be asking me the same question that I've already made a video about. I'm not going to answer you. So make sure you save this video for later. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I'm going to be making video about some of the companies that are also partner with in terms of playlisting. They have a lot. I think they have a lot. They actually have a lot of companies they partner with in terms of playlisting your song, because playlisting is one of the best promotion you can do for yourself. I've always said this times and times again. You need to make sure that you put your song on playlist. It's going to help you to get more visibility and also more streams. And the better your streams are looking, the more streams you have on your page can actually even attract investors to come for you, or for you to be able to land a good partnership deal with any investors. But if you're not having streams, no investor will want to put their money on you. They need to make sure that you already have a payment history from your music. You understand? So if you're the one you have money, you want to invest in somebody or a musician, you need to make sure that musician is it's already making some money from the music, has already tried to the level of which he or she has been making something out of the music. So you need to make sure that you put your song on playlist. Get your song on playlist today. If you want to do that, you can as well contact me. My number is in the bio. You can DM. We can help you with putting your song on playlist. And also, I can help you with influencers to use your song. You want dancers to use your song. You want cartoon videos. I have people that create cartoon videos. You want art cover, anything that you want, you can as well contact me at on my number, and Analyzer Tube is going to get you covered. It's very easy. That's what we do. So thank you so much, guys.